Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's video we are going to see how to make a greeting card. Like this is a card I'm making for Holi. So I have just taped my watercolor paper with the washi tape, and I have also taped some spaces in between to write the matter. And for this I have used a cling wrap. You can use either cling wrap or you can use any plastic sheet, and then start coloring with the brush pens. I just try to color everything from light to dark. So I have used light yellow, dark yellow, orange, red, pink, dark pink, and I have used peach color, and then I have used emerald green, dark green, and blue, light blue, dark blue, and even purple. Like dark colors, like I have used the dark colors in the borders. So once this is done, I have just kept the cling wrap aside, and I have sprayed a little bit water. If at all you don't have spray bottle, don't worry, you can just brush with water, and you can just in this way just spread it. You can just spread with the brush and just reverse it and give dab on the paper, or just give tapping on the paper and see that the corners are covered, and then remove this. And now you need to wait for this to dry, and the color whatever is left over on the cling wrap you can also use for any other color. For this, if at all you are using this colors for the first time, it comes dark, and for the second time they come in light version, but you can use the background for anything. This can be for universe, this can be for any colorful blending, any colorful card. And now you need to wait for the colors to dry completely, and then remove the tape. Once the tape is removed, see that it is completely dried, and write your message, whatever the message you want to write. You can just write the message but write it first with the pencil, and then go for a pen or whatever marker you want to use it. So I have just finished it writing happy Holi dear all with the pencil, and then I have taken pink color and just written the matter. This can be used for, as I told, this can be used for any greeting card. And then I have highlighted this with the borders with gold color, gold domes. Like I have used here domes brushes, brush pens, domes brush pens. So once this is done, I have highlighted the whole thing with the 03 pigment pen or micron pen, any permanent marker. You can just take that, and I have given a few flowers for the borders using red and pink and yellow color in this way. So this is an art channel, as you all know. You have even miniatures. If anyone is interested in miniatures, you can just go and see my channel. You can just see the playlist, so that you can find different miniatures also in that. So if at all you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. And once this is removed, once this is dried, please erase all the pencil marks, and then give with the pigment pen, highlight with the pigment pen. Like as I said you, it is 0.3. And once this is done, just remove the tape, washi tapes, and your card is ready. So thanks for watching. Happy drawing. Enjoy drawing. Bye bye. Take care. And this is how it turned.